kalta chulugol kan dorobu kulu pichakala de ta koba when they attempted to capture a koba panaje kapan matot men get to walk a je kuma chadelat. That's why you see the government is so quiet. The morale of government went low. Lano ukuma tere Nuer kan kedip low man socket. I came here before and I said Salva Kiir become a big supplier of weapon to SPLIO. While Riek Machar is in jail, God for hours arrest for Juba, Salva Kiir is supplying Y Army and SPLIO was new Silla. I was not just talking. I know what I was talking about. Gadamulu mobilization, Baji Bijibu, SPLIO Baga Lebdup, Talgum, woman for Tawlum Sugar, Talgum, Bia. Okuma wasn't for UI. Okuma wasn't for Pajot. Okuma wasn't for Ayot. That's when you're going to what? Now, Jen Kuma Ted definition where Koba, Talumachi Koba. That's where they met really Nuer power. While we're speaking now, ma wagon, but I should look God from Malakal. Ma wagon, but I will let I should look at the Rabu from Mala. El Cataluda Mabakalam. Take a knock chocolate. Al mat fieta waya mi ma SPLIO kedunga koba sila ramoraitan but te ya no ma wagan kulu jibu ni dial cha no ma kal. The question is lema be shiluman fi juba jen la close place. Well, Salva Kiir mind o gruj but I like Salva Kiir into sla kudu fieta zol you fight for him because Salva Kiir ter. But much I mo the boat I can liel you more liu. Salva Kiir sila yo ilaje. As a job woman, I can allow woman for Malta, UN Lana, UN is still functioning fi Malakal. The Rwanda, judge with Rwanda, the UN also lamu your part. Like in judge with India, Elizabeth. Judge with India, but a UN keeping peacekeeping forces, little people Malakal. So jabu ma wagin da chulu de kulu shalu Malakal. Also, oh man. That but the Robita Fieta Salva Kiir ma could musule betak. Ela be jibita le family betak yana la juita. But it is what it is. You know. So kor she bej ke kuma. Kor ye tega tama dong. Kor she rit choro rit la mejet. Okuma chakal la galaf fudutta Okuma dafa taman. Shakala bata walumbare da ushakala ta umbare kasarat kullu la Okuma. Dama kasarat bese. Nasal ma dama bakalamu. Lan woman said the Madil Gade, my war but SPLIO, SPLI was just misleading them that give Salada Jua, Salal Gedede. SPLIO misses more than Talada Tang above. Jedit. Take Shadama Bakalamu, Silabata Bakalamu, Lia de Charlotte. That's why now you see the government is very quiet. Paul Nang, Alamali Rabam Dade, Laga Nupso Fi Juba, got the Prince Musach Galwa Yan. Paul Nang the Bukuna Yan to Mamsuka Koba. Chebul Brown. Paul Nang Biga Yan, Gabal Mamsuka Koba, Kalam de Cap. Ria Guy Cook, Algaliam Da, Budung Yamusha Moja Peck, Chadung Moja Peck. Ria Guy Cook. Algal budung yang misal mo pek wale. Dia gay ko galele. Wagib mawi di. SPLI way pi musaj ba ngop. Chai luek changa de toro ku da ko no haraga beje. Itu big SPLI of Nairobi. Nuar jang. Kalam algali am da de. Asade dia gay ko. The SPLIO paying his bill with Musaifa in Nairobi. Lana, Ukuma da Denga de, they need you when you are strong. Like when you become weak, Denga will never take responsibility of paying bill. But I'm sorry for Marvin. Yaw de jej bida shulu fi malakal kuno. Awala da shulu ka darabung de kuno katire fi malakal. Ria guy ko fi ayo fi Nairobi nak. Denga will use you like condom. Denga will use you like condom. No, Nuer can magari shit himself when Nuer said that for media, but I know that Denga is using some people like condom. It is true. It is true. Ma fitrega tane. Lano, ria guy cook. Meji chuonga jangzolo wuga ma Denga. Alele SPLIO is the one paying his bill for Musachwa, for Juba, for Ajede, for Nairobi. Lana Denga maba pa bill betaw. Wale, governor for that matter. Not just a simple person. Governor. Government of Salva Kiir cannot pay his bill. Musachwa. Ila uyidi acting president, but SPLIO came to his rescue to pay the bill. Uyidi meje Musachwa. Ita maicha abzol to Ukuma. Kene ran kuma nen Musachwa wagi mazole. Yo, the law Bible, but SPLIO, born again SPLIO. What? Born again SPLIO, real guy cook, born again SPLIO. Baptized by SPLIO. Big achievement. But we don't know. We want real guy cook to live to tell the history of Tadenga. We want real guy cook to live to tell the history of Denga. History of William Nyon. William Nyon went ahead to kill Gajak randomly. Kayen Nyon Kuma, Kayen Yagani, Bayan Nagendial, Changa Bumokwe Golfing, Bayan Nagendial, then Nyon, right in Nyon there. After you kill Nuer, what happened? They tried to kill him. They tried to kill him without saying thank you. I just a people from Malele, ma be sure but I Nuer forward. Ma fi sura da William Nyon, ma fi sura da Samuel Gaitut, ma fi sura da Riang Machar, ma fi sura da Izol, da Denga bas yo gadu bilfam. The John Garang u Denga u Salva Kiir u Denga. William Nyon yam da that made SPLA to be strong. Yal batawa lel de Tabanin. God William Nyon they working, they surviving on their own. Woman were out of Junub Sudan when. One of on a time, Baba, but woman they all can big posts with a Denga. Killing Gajak, threatening Gajak, intimidating Gajak. Being used like a condom. Hoping that girl feet are here, Gadamalu. Denga, manipulating everybody. The same way they manipulate Roland. Ria Guy Cook. Olan chal yal da shuluk fi shakala. Alele yal maindo elach. Olan we nobody know. Rajaw man le da shuluk fi malakal. Yam da I came here and said yal da shuluk drobo de chalu fi Juba woman big afin fi Juba. Ila family obedi grush. So now when you are strong, mungu di bumme SPLA we by you know SPLA. Soon, to waga dorobita, you become an army of your family. Askari to your family. Because only your family will take care of your bill to Musaifa. Salva Kiir is not taking care of bill. Well, Salva Kiir ma khaltan. Salva Kiir cannot be blamed. Those who being used like a condom, they are the ones should be blamed. They should blame themselves. They should blame themselves. Salva Kiir de laga bas panediar. Panediar bas dola bata nuswan. Dola bata sajmanin. Dola bata another banadu jej, a club banadu jej, woman bumchi be 2 years without salary. 2 years gali jej bata dola. Woman bumchi sanaten budun me year, woman lisa gadi gadam Salva Kiir. The dola ta bleeding. Dola ta sajmanin. Dola ta sajmanin is what you do to them. Dola bata sajmanin they are what you do to them, what you does to them. Lo jeyde liza bagul SPLA wangot bejan buduna kil buduna yaja woman liza ga record SPLA wangot. How can we blame Salva Kiir? Wala sagar Charles West Africa lele fi good direction. Captain Ibrahim Captain Ibrahim. Captain Ibrahim. It's so tall for West Africa or Gales, Kosumkum. Amaling love le siazin, amaling love le gadeta judge with other man, seniority, gal fuck all this seniority. Seniority yo gade karabo, Africa. Jaldongazim, Wendidism, Moindidism, yo gade karabo Africa. Dung Jaldongazim, Dung Wendidism, Dung Moindidism, yo gade karabo Africa. Africa baobara. Walele, Captain Ibrahim is doing well. Like I said, man, but now fall down there. It's not doing well. My do my year. Uliza got a call now. I feel a wong I feel a way. I feel a wong but doing my year. My bad Malta Maravata when. While Adunikid is playing casino in it. Adunikid got a lab of group with a Paul down. Group digest. But could you casino, Benik, Bamal Chino, Babara Bagruj, Bashar Marisa, but group with a fall down. Group digest. Fall down the jury now, but that's the other one. That's the other one. That's the other one. Maravata mind to akil. Yal mind to akil. Mobile Malta Yal, but I went. And it's still protecting Salbakir. I shan't Salbakir, but it could be Addis Ababa Mumbari, or you call them the General Sagala now. Da, teta, papa, ra. Galo gara English. Figure down Africa, Kulu. Shaming the entire African nation. Garamul for deal, Africa, Kulu. So who can we blame? The man Salbakir was a Panadiar was Laga bet as a man in bet and as one bet my few Rujal. They rather go kill children than Nuer. Paul Nang rather empty shackle more than Nuer than a shackle Salbakir. Salbakir and Garakul group without it. People from Mumda Galule Fall Nang, that's a call beating as PLA, Kabo Jamara, Kabo Jorse. Tarjama. Yo manana balga dola batana Paul Nang ita bukun de guruj ketir mara bata belebis daf alele dola da jakalas mara da Paul Nang liza maji ba liwara mara da Salbakir ma yal da Salbakir man gara la guruj bes guruj bita dola o Salbakir jej de ma de go la enough is enough dem mo tonin da na kede yo be fly video to cry for them. That's judge betana mindu tain mindu akil. Judge kan ba'amal difa lena. Judge kan ba'amal difa lena. Now we judge endusla we are the one protecting them. Sajmanin akalaf. Anana yo gari shagal dar we fighting for their right. Lakin they cannot fight for their right. Lanu man gari ko bin Salbakir. So dole biga dole da zola white. Dole biga dole da family. The country is run by one man and his family. So who can we blame? No, Dorobita, or Mabalajuta, or Rajada, for Malakal, for Unimis. Who can we blame? We blame leaders Betagum. Nazola in the woman Charles La, Galindu Mikela, Kalam Pinchala, or Ma Pinchala, Ale Chulu Liga Boctulu, Fi Malakal in the Kilip, Mapi Pinchala. All I might now was Garishil Talamat. Who can we blame? Lojaj Betag, but the Robo? Ito be shil judge bitak bishagala. Lakin lo darobo biga judge bila shuluka lele. Yam daga nana bagula nana shuluk. Ma de shil judge bila shuluka nagre. Ma de shil judge da de judge bila pinchala. Junubu Sudan lo boga fi bar. Lo few too many rebel. None of your business. I don't rindu mishila bitak with Junubu Sudan. For example, Nuer Katalo. Nuer there kalam mazola Katalo man. Nuer wanna talk to Salbakir, Madangal Katal Nuer fi Juba for 2013. Because there is an answer question. Unanswered question. Sual ma jawabu. That the munu katal Nuer fi alibno talatachar. Sual dak there jawabu. That question need answer. The munu katal more than the Nuer actor min arba'in alim more than 40,000 in 2013. Unanswered question need to be answered by Salbakir Madenga batawde. Shuluk bajai shalwa arade batak. Lana lele, bed with a king few denga, and now there are few denga, abanim few denga. Unanswered question. So I let there is hollow, the Munugat rather than Shuluk. I don't do Michel of Junubistan. Yow, it was Chubalele, yow. Make a Charlie Dara Batao. Not for the bigger Gatir. Yow, Mamurle, Charlie Dara Batao, into Jay Batam and Ado Cobra, woman Mabu could be Muchala Junuf. Lloyd Mamma, she will lie Batam. idar bataw mun ma sal zoltan Salva Kiir he went on mobilizing Morle قال Morle مشي يشاغل مع نوير إن سير Morle مشي ضرب دانجا ضرب دانجا رجال أصلي شوف رجال يا ولد شوف رجال كيف دانجا كان بقول Morle ده بليد ده قبل تان ده نالشلوك ده نالك بلك ده عملوا موبلايز Morle قالوا Morle هاي بيا يز كنوار بعدون نوار ما يجيب Morle قال ما مجي لجيب سلا وكل كلام تاع نوير جاده Morle مشي في مرا بتاع دانجا ضرب مرا بتاع دانجا تابور تمام قتلوا وشال 3000 راس بقر دانجا قال يمولا رد نوت ده ما الناس كل يوم عملوا يوز في جنوب السودان. You cannot use everybody في South Sudan like condom. في قبائل في جنوب السودان دانجا ما بكوج لومن قبيلة ده تفوزة قبيلة ده لتوكا قبيلة ده بويا قبيلة ده مورله انت ما بكوج لومن بفوضى بتاعك ده لو ده بقر لنا تاع بقر لو ده تغيان لنا تغيانين لو ده ضرب سلاح ده شغل لومن ده ما يشلوك بتاعك بجاي ما نياك بتاعك بجاي ده ما دور بتاعك ده نازل بنارو ناس باري ده في جوبا باري سفيك كله ده نيجومن صدمومن دوغومن لبان رايت لكن في قبائل في جنوب السودان كاي 4 قبائل كده ده قبيله زي مورله قبيله زي تفوضه قبيله زي بويه قبيله زي لتوغو انت ما بمشي لو ساقه زي ده